Hello everyone, Ian here on a very chilly and sunny crisp morning, and I wanted to take the Mavic 2 up to get some footage of the freezing fog as it was lifting above the trees. And I thought actually it'd be quite a good idea just to let you guys know how you can fly in cold weather and what the actual temperature specs are. A lot of people are quite scared to take their Mavics out when the temperature gets a bit low or if it's snowing, but in actual fact it's pretty robust. So the DJI technical specs have an operating range of -10 centigrade to +40, which is going to be around 15 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So you really have quite a wide range of temperatures that you can actually operate this thing in. The key thing is about the batteries. Keep the batteries warm, keep the batteries in your pocket until you're ready to go flying. That way they'll last an awful lot longer and it won't damage the batteries. Now online I've actually spoken to people that have happily flown their Mavic 2 in -20 degrees, so I think we're getting down to about 5 degrees Fahrenheit there, without any issue, as long as they've kept the batteries at a reasonable temperature. So the bottom line is go out, enjoy the snow, enjoy the ice, enjoy the freezing fog if that's what you want to do. Keep the batteries in your pockets until you're ready to fly, and just keep an eye on that battery. And the moment that battery hits 25% or 20%, come back. Don't push your luck with the batteries in the cold. Teddy, Teddy, come on. So there you go, as I said, no reason not to enjoy all the sights when it's very cold, all the ice, snow and freezing fog. Keep your eye on that battery gauge, keep the batteries in your pocket until you're ready to use them, and you should be absolutely fine. Anyway, hope that's been helpful. Until next time, have fun, happy flying. Cheers.